This video will walk through how to report generation that is being split for both M-RETS supported and non-supported programs. If a generator sells generation into the LCFS or RFS and a M-RETS supported program, the generator must utilize a qualified reporting entity. M-RETS is unable to validate volumes sold into these programs. To protect against double counting, a QRE must be used. M-RETS will issue RTCs on generation that is being used for M-RETS supported programs. M-RETS does not track generation for the LCFS or RFS. To report generation within the system, select the generation dashboard. Select Add New Entry. Under Step 1, you will input the quantity of generation and the dates the generation covers. M-RETS will only issue RTCs on renewable generation. If a project uses non-renewable fuel, the quantity of that fuel should be reported in Step 2. For this example, the generator produced 100 decatherms. 60 decatherms are sold into the LCFS, with the remaining 40 decatherms being sold into the voluntary market. Select Next. For Step 2, you will designate the quantity of generation allocated to both the M-RETS and non-M-RETS supported programs. Select Edit Qualified Issuance. From the drop-down, select either partially qualified or not qualified for RTC generation. If you are reporting an entire month's generation into a non-M-RETS program, you should select Not Qualified. After selecting Partially Qualified, the system will present another drop-down. Here you should select the reason as to why generation is non-qualified. In the Qualified Issuance box input, the percentage of generation that is eligible, in this case 40%. In the LCFS box, we will input 60%. Select Save. In the Issuance Percentage box input, either the percentage or quantity of generation and select Next. For Step 3, upload the generation supporting documentation and select Review. For acceptable forms of documentation, please reach out to the M-RETS administrator. For Step 4, you will be asked to review the information entered. After careful review, select either Save, Make Changes, or Back. After selecting Save, you are required to attest that you are reporting 100% of the generator's production. Select Submit. Once generation has been reported, it enters a pending status. The M-RETS administrators will review the generation and documentation uploaded. If acceptable, the generation entry will be approved and RTCs will be issued.